Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. And today was just kind of an ugly day. We had clouds and light snow throughout the day. Temperatures cold. We're looking at one more day of cold temperatures. Then things start getting a little more interesting. A little warmer weather on the horizon. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Our photograph tonight, this one's sent in by Larry Moen. Winter ice crystals. This is what they call hoarfrost, and it's H-O-A-R, and it's really an interesting thing that happens here in our climate here. And as you can see, it reflects the sunshine, and beautiful. Guy, those ice crystals are gorgeous, aren't they? And as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. And speaking of photos, our Fab Photo Calendar is out. It's free, and you can pick it up at places like Miguel's and Kindle and also West Valley Vision Center. So all those places, in addition to many or other ones that you can find on our website, webcenter11.com, under the lifestyle section, and you can pick them up there, and they make great stocking stuffers. All right, here's your numbers for today. 7 degrees below zero for the high. The low last night, 11 below. Still a little bit of light snow falling. Record high 41 in 1916, turned around to 41 below in 2011 for the record low. Our sunrise and sunset about 6 hours and 5 minutes, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. And on the satellite and radar, you can see a little bit of activity moving across southeast Alaska, and they're looking at actually a pretty good opportunity for a lot of snow to fall from this moisture that's moving in right now. 4 to 7 inches expected around the Juneau area tonight and again tomorrow. Over to the west, looking at a little more cloudiness moving in on the west coast, and also that is expected to move into the Anchorage Bowl area. Now, as far as what's going on into the interior, zoom in, you'll see we're looking at just a few scattered areas of light snow here and there, but nothing really organized. And as far as the overall state, you can see over southeast Alaska, a little snow falling at Ketchikan even, with the light snow at Juneau. Another cold day in Anchorage, cloudy and snowy conditions at Kodiak, cloudy skies along the Aleutian Chain. Temperatures pretty chilly up and down the west coast, and 4 degrees below zero at Barrow with 1 degree above at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, where we were talking about this storm last night. This is a monster. This brought tornadoes and heavy snow, almost a foot of snow in Denver. It's moving rapidly to the east, but still a lot of powerful thunderstorms out ahead of this system, clashing with the warm, humid air in front of it. And another system moving across the Pacific Northwest, bringing more rain and snow to those areas. And as far as the flood threat for tonight and tomorrow night, blinding downpours, road closures, and flight delays with, of course, gusty winds all over the deep south. That will continue. And the jet stream will continue to help foster that situation because it is not moving a whole lot. Once again, a big dive down to the south, helping to create all that weather. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. In this week, we're talking with the kids from Nordale Elementary School. And tonight, we have another picture to share with you.
Hi, my name is Alexandra, and I'm in a 5th and 6th grade classroom from Nordale Elementary. And this is my picture of weather. I drew it because when I was in California, once I got out from a store with my grandma, it was lightning everywhere. We were scared, but my grandpa came to pick us up and took us home. But there was a lot of lightning, and purple lightning struck in front of the road.
Thanks, Alex, for that picture, and thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, a young man will be here with a question regarding lightning bolts. Here's your forecast for the Alaska area for northern sections, flurries and fog for Barrow and also Fort Yukon, mostly cloudy skies in Nome. Here in the interior, looking at, once again, light snow showers at Fairbanks and Delta Junction with cloudy skies for Healy. There's the heavy snow I was telling you about over southeast Alaska, more expected in the Juneau region, and rain and snow in Ketchikan. Over to the southwest, we're looking at rain and snow for Cold Bay and Kodiak, snow in Bethel, basically possibly 2 to 5 inches of snow there. And over the south central regions around the Anchorage Bowl, mainly just cloudy skies at Anchorage, but snow developing by tomorrow night and continuing into Thursday, the way it looks like right now, and snow likely for Homer by afternoon. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, looking at a high wind watch to remind you about tomorrow, developing for the folks in Healy and Delta Junction. Gusts to 70 miles per hour developing by Thursday, so keep that in mind. And there's our forecast, 12 degrees below zero for the overnight low, cloudy and cold, periods of light snow, no accumulation expected. Tomorrow continue cold and cloudy with more scattered snow showers. But the extended forecast, Joe's going to love this when he sees it. Friday, the high 20 degrees above. That's because the winds are going to be coming in from the south. When they come in from the south, they bring in warmer temperatures, so the cold snap will be over after tonight. And we're looking at a possibility of snow in the picture for Friday and Saturday, with overnight lows also once again warming up to only 10 degrees below zero. Look at Joe, he's happy about that.